Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar and I am once again welcome you in your online class. Now student, and I want to wish you Happy New Year student. Now this is the time for us very difficult, but we welcome our new year with new hope and new wishes. Is it clear? Now and we pray the God our भगवान कि प्लीज़ ये साल हमारा बहुत अच्छा बीते and we should care ourselves and also care those are the elder ones in our home and we also protect ourselves and also our parents. Clear? And I hope as soon as possible after the 2 or 3 months you will start coming to your school. वी प्रे दी गॉड कि जल्दी से जल्दी आप लोग भी स्कूल आओ. ये साल हमारा बहुत अच्छा बीते. लास्ट ईयर इज़ वेरी वर्स फॉर अस. वी फेस सो मेनी डिफिकल्ट कंडीशन बट दिस ईयर ब्रिंग्स न्यू होप एंड न्यू थिंग्स फॉर अस that is better for the human beings. Clear student? Now we continue our lecture. Now student, in the previous lecture we will discuss about the water, the chapter number 15, water, what is the water and how we will get water and what is the sources of the water and what is the properties of the water. Now in this lecture we will discuss about the two things that is given on the page number 103, this thing, and page number 104, that is the water cycle. You also know about this thing, but I explain you once again. Now student, this on the page number 103, the given, what is given? Different form of water. Clear? The liquid form is the water present in the liquid form in our nature, but we get three form of the water in the nature. First is liquid, that is the water. Now the second one is solid, that is the hard form of the water, and the example of the hard water is solid form is ice. When we freeze water we get ice and ice is the solid form of the water. This is the second form. Okay. Now the liquid is water, ice is the solid form. Now the liquid form is water as it is that flow on the ground or in the form of river, in the lake, in the spring, that is the liquid form of the water. Now the gas, when we boil the water, when we heat the water we get vapor, that is called gaseous form of the water. Clear? Now why the water found in these three form? Why this water found in these three form in the nature? In the nature and we also create this situation for the water. If you want to solid form of the water, we freeze it in the refrigerator. हम फ्रीज में जमा देंगे पानी को तो solid form मिल जाएगी. We get ice. फ्रीजर में जमाएंगे तो. Now the liquid form, this water, this form is the liquid form of the water. Okay. Now after that, gas. Now this is the winter season and you all use which types of water? Cool water or hot water for the bathing. If you take bath, you use hot water, and when you use that water, you see in the pot some vapor come out from that water. कुछ भाप निकलती हुई दिखती है. तो that is the gaseous form of the water. Clear? We get three form of the water in the nature. First is solid, that is the example of ice. Now the liquid form. Now the plain water, simple water is liquid form. Now the gas, when we heat the water or boil the water we get vapor. from the heating the water change in the gas. So that is called gaseous form of the water. Clear? So we get three stages or three form of the water in the nature. Now how the water changes in the liquid form, in the gaseous form, in the solid form? By the cooling we get solid form of the water. By the heating we get gaseous from the water, and from the melting we get liquid form of the water. Now you ask me what is the meaning of the melting, what is the meaning of the cooling, what is the meaning of the heating. When we boil the water, that is called heating. Clear? Through the fire, if we boil the water, that is called heating process. Now when the ice, if we melt the ice, if we leave the ice as it in the position, okay, in the pot, we take out the ice from the refrigerator and leave it. अगर हम बर्फ को फ्रिज से निकालेंगे, उसे ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे, तो आफ्टर द सम टाइम दैट आइस मेल्ट, कुछ समय के बाद वो बर्फ पिघल जाएगी. तो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड व्हेन द आइस चेंजेस इनटू द वाटर. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड मेल्टिंग. क्लियर? तो वी गेट विच फॉर्म ऑफ द वाटर? बाय द मेल्टिंग, liquid form, and by the heating we get gaseous form of the water. Clear, student? So we should read this line. Open the page number 103 and we read different form of the water. Put your finger on the line. Water is the only liquid that exists in three forms. Yes, these are solid, liquid and gas. Now the picture is given. Solid form is ice. Now the liquid form is water. Now the gaseous form is when we heat the water. Clear? The water vapor is the gaseous form of the water. Clear? Now in the solid state it exists in the form of ice. When the water exists in the form of ice, जब बर्फ के रूप में होता है तो that is called solid, कठोर होता है. Now in the liquid state it exists as water. Liquid stage means जो हम पानी पीने के काम में लेते, that is called liquid stage of the water. Now the next one, in the gaseous state it exists as water vapor or steam. जो भाप बनती है, steam, water vapor जो होती है. Clear? That is the gaseous form of the water. Now so the picture is given, ice. Now how you change ice in the water? What is given? On heating. Okay, when we keep some ice cubes in the pot and heat it. आइस क्यूब को आप गरम करो गैस पर रखकर. आफ्टर द सम टाइम्स इट कम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिक्विड. इट मीन्स वी गेट वाटर. क्लियर? बाय द हीटिंग. नाउ आफ्टर दैट अगेन यू हीट दिस वाटर. इफ यू हीट प्लेन वाटर और लिक्विड फॉर्म, तो आफ्टर द सम टाइम्स यू गेट वाटर वेपर. अगर हम पानी को गर्म करेंगे तो हमें भाप मिलेगी या वेपर मिलेगा. नाउ इफ वी कूल दिस, हाउ वी कूल दिस वेपर? सपोज इफ यू बॉइल द वाटर एंड कवर दैट पॉट विथ अ प्लेट. क्लियर? एंड लीव इट. Turn off the gas and leave it. After the some time in the surface of the plate you get some drops of the water. That is, it means the vapor cool, become cool, and we found water there. Clear? If you want to change vapor in the water, how do you do this experiment? We boil the water. Now when the vapor come out, we cover that pot with the help of a plate देर के लिए उसे हम ठंडा होने देंगे। एंड आफ्टर द समटाइम्स व्हाट वी विल सी, हम क्या देखते हैं कुछ समय के बाद, सम वेपर इज ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द प्लेट, उस प्लेट पर कुछ पानी जमा हो जाता है। मीन्स व्हेन द वेपर बिकम कूल, जब भाप ठंडी होगी तो इट ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज इन द वाटर। नाउ व्हेन वी कूल दिस वाटर, जब हम इस पानी को फिर से ठंडा करेंगे और फ्रीज इट वाटर, तो वी गेट अगेन आइस। क्लियर? तो दिस इज कॉल्ड द डिफरेंट फॉर्म ऑफ द वाटर एंड हाउ द वाटर change their form by the heating and the cooling. When we heat the ice, we get water. When we heat the water, we get vapor. And if we cool that vapor, so we get liquid form water. And if we again freeze this water, so we get ice. So by the heating and by the cooling, we get different form of the water. Clear student? Now the simple example is, suppose your mummy wash your clothes and for the dry them, he hang the cloths in front of the sun. Clear? आपकी मम्मी कपड़े धोती तो कहाँ सुखाती है? सूरज की रोशनी में, धूप में डालते हैं ना हम लोग कपड़ों को। तो what process going there? When the sun rays touch the dried cloth, जब सूरज की किरणें गर्म गीले कपड़ों पर पड़ती है तो ऑटोमेटिकली the water change into the water vapor. गर्मी से पानी क्या होगा? भाप बन के उड़ जाता है। तो by the heating the cloths become dried, सूख जाते हैं, and water change into the water vapor and going to environment, और वो जो पानी है भाप बन के उड़ जाता है। Clear? So this is the simple example and now the given in this paragraph. When we put our cloths in or the sun to dry, the water from the wet cloths changing into the water vapor. जो पानी होता है गीले कपड़ों का वो water vapor में बदल जाता है। Clear? This vapor mixes with the air and our clothes get dried up. Put some water in the dry glass. Now, add a few ice cubes in it. After some time, we will see drop of the water begin to the form of the outer side of the glass. There are water vapors in the air. Water vapors change back into the liquid form on cooling. Okay, this experiment. पानी में कुछ बर्फ मिलाकर रखेंगे तो कुछ समय के बाद बाहर की तरफ ग्लास में हमें क्या दिखेगा? स्मॉल स्मॉल ड्रॉप्स दिखेगी, पानी की बूंदें दिखेगी। तो इट मीन्स जो पानी होता है वो बाहर की तरफ आकर मेल्ट वेपर जो है निकलती है, इट विल बी चेंज इन द वाटर एंड कवर द आउटर स्पेस ऑफ द ग्लास। Clear students? So this thing given here, water vapors change back into the liquid form of cooling. So this two experiment given here. Now after that, water cycle given. What is the water cycle? Those water present in the nature. Okay, when rain comes. How it is possible in the nature कि after the 6 or 7 or 8 month the rain coming, 7 या 8 महीने के बाद बारिश होना शुरू हो जाती है। in India the atmosphere, we are talking about the environment of India, basically in the month of June, July, August and September, that is the rainy season in our country. So how it is possible? Through the rain. And how the rain possible? How the rain comes? Through the water cycle. Means those water present in our nature, it continuously change their form. Clear? Now in the water cycle, what happened in the water cycle? The water changed their forms. Now those water present on the earth, what is the form of that water? Solid? Yes, glaciers are the very high hilly mountain areas where we found which types of form of water? Solid form of the water, that is the glacier. जो बहुत ज़्यादा ऊंचे भाग हैं या पहाड़ी क्षेत्र हैं, माउंटेन एरियाज है, वहाँ पे पानी कैसा होता है? किस फॉर्म में होता है? सॉलिड फॉर्म में. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? नाउ दोज वाटर प्रेजेंट ऑन द प्लेन एरियाज, what is the form of that water? That is liquid form. Clear? River, lake, pond, sea water, water of the ocean, all these types of the source of water is found in the liquid form. Clear? Now when this is the sun, the sun rays continuously come on the earth. The sun rays continuously come on the earth. Now when the sun rays enter in the water of the sea, lake or any source of the water. Clear? When the sun rays touch, so what is the texture of the sun rays? Very hot. Clear? Continuously the sun rays come on the sources of the water, so automatically the water of the sources convert into the vapor. क्लियर? जैसे हमारे घर में हम पतीली में पानी गर्म करते हैं ना, वैसे ही रिवर्स का पानी भी कंटिन्यूसली जब सनरेज आती है तो उससे गर्म होने लगता है. एंड लिक्विड फॉर्म चेंज इनटू द गैसियस फॉर्म, गैस बनने लगती है एंड ऑटोमेटिकली दिस वाटर गोइंग टू आउट ऑफ द अर्थ. Now this process is called evaporation. When the water change into the water vapor, this process is called evaporation. Clear student? Now this water going to the upside of the earth. Now the water. Clear student? Now this vapor continuously going there and make clouds. Clear? Means drops. When the water vapor going to upside of the earth and the atmosphere of this side is very cool, so this vapor automatically change in the water drops. Clear? And these water drops are so little, are so tiny. So student, this water vapor comes together. Clear? This vapor comes together and make clouds. Means when the water vapor become cool and their particles comes together and make clouds. This process is called condensation. Means when the water vapor change their form and make clouds. Clear? Now how this process happened student? And the water vapor make clouds? Because this vapor come to and connect with the cool air. Clear? Now the sun rays is very hot but air is cool na, those air present on the upside of the earth, that is cool. When the vapor come in the connection of the cool air, so it automatically changes into the small droplets. छोटी छोटी बूंदों में बदल जाती है। जो ऊपर की हवा होती है ना हमारी अर्थ के, वो बहुत ठंडी होती है। तो व्हेन द वेपर कनेक्ट विद द कूल एयर, तो ऑटोमेटिकली इट चेंज इनटू द स्मॉल ड्रॉपलेट, छोटी छोटी बूंदों में बदल जाती है एंड मेक क्लाउड्स। तो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड कंडेंसेशन। व्हेन द वाटर वेपर चेंज in the droplets, that is called condensation. Now after the condensation, continuously the droplets collect here. Now after the sometimes it become very heavy. अगर continuously जो droplets इकट्ठी होगी तो वो भारी होने लगेगी। तो after the sometimes this water come down on the earth in the form of the rain, means in the form of liquid form. Liquid form में बारिश होती है ना, तो again this water come down on the earth. तो this process is called precipitation. Clear student? In the water cycle only 3 processes going on. First is evaporation, second is condensation, third one is precipitation. And what is the meaning of the precipitation? When the droplets become very heavy and bigger, it comes on the earth in the form of the rain, that is called precipitation. Clear? Now again this water come on the land and some water flows in the form of river, collected in the river, lakes, ponds, and some water going to the underground of the earth. Clear student? Now again this process will start, but the transpiration word also given here. Some picture is also given here, plants picture, animals picture, because each and everybody participate in the evaporation process. Okay, sun जहाँ से भी उसको पानी मिलेगा उसको सोख लेता है, from the plant, from the animals, from the human beings, and also the sources of the water, sea, lake, oceans. Clear? So this process continuously going on. Now the water from the sea, lake, those are the sources of the water. Continuously the evaporation going on there. Sun rays come down on the sources of the water. When the water heat, automatically the water changes their form and changes into the water vapor. This process is called evaporation. After the evaporation, the vapor going to upside of the earth. What is present there? Cool air is there. Clear student? Now, so the water vapor changes into the small droplets. Now when the vapor changes into the small droplet, this process is called condensation. Clear? Now after the condensation, when it make clouds, after the condensation process, what we get? Clouds. Now when these clouds become very heavy, why these clouds become very heavy? Because the droplets become bigger and they have weight. So वो अपना वजन नहीं संभाल पाती, तो we get what? These droplets changes their form and come down the earth in the form of rain. So this process continuously going on. Water change their form and we get water in the nature. Clear student? This is the water cycle. And water cycle is very necessary for our environment because through that we get water, drinking water, and also the living things, animals, plants get water. So this is the importance of the water cycle and this is the water cycle. The 3 processes going on in the water cycle. What is the first? When the water change into the vapor, this is called evaporation. When the vapor change into the small droplet. This process is called condensation. जो बादल बनने की प्रोसेस होती है ना वो कंडेंसेशन होती है. What is the clouds? This is a group, a huge group of the droplets. That is called clouds. Clear, student? Now, when these clouds change their form and droplets come on the earth, this process is called precipitation. Evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. These three processes going on the water cycle. Clear, student? Now, for you, I read this paragraph, page number 104, water cycle. With the help of this simple picture, I will show you the water cycle. Read this paragraph. Due to the heat of the sun, water from seas, lakes, rivers, ponds and streams rises up in the air in the form of water vapor. Yes, यहाँ से ऊपर चला जाता है. High up in the sky, water vapor come in the contact with cold air and cool down to the small droplets of the water. Clear? When the vapor going this side, automatically the vapor connect with the cool air and change their form and make small droplets. छोटी छोटी बूंदें बन जाती है ठंडी हवा के संपर्क में आने से. Water vapor come in the contact with the cold air and cool down to form small droplets of water. These droplets become bigger and get closer to each other and form clouds. Okay, these droplets comes together and make clouds. The clouds fall on the earth as rain. Yes, these clouds come on the earth as a form of rain. The rainwater again goes into ocean, river, lakes, pond and streams. Means this water again going to the river, pond, lake and ocean, seas. जो बारिश का पानी होता है सभी में वापस मिल जाता है. The continuous circulation of water between the earth and the atmosphere is called the water cycle. Okay? Means this process going on on the earth. The water change their form continuously. So this process is called water cycle. So now student, in this lecture we discussed about two things, form of the water and water cycle. Form of the water, we found water in the nature in the three form: solid, ice, liquid, that is the plain water. Now the gas, water vapor, that is the gaseous form of the water. So this is the three form of the water, and how the water change their form in the nature, or how with the experiment if you want to show the water change their form, so by the heating and the cooling we should show this thing, water change their form by the heating. If we heat the water, if we heat the ice, तो we get water, means गर्म करने से हमें पानी मिला. If we again heat this water, तो we get vapor, and if we cool that vapor, तो we get again water. And this water, if we freeze this water, we get ice. Same thing happened in the water cycle. When we heat the water, the natural heater is sun. The sun give us heat, so that heat nature utilize for the evaporation. Clear? Evaporation, after the condensation, precipitation, and we get once again this thing means water. Clear? Those water found in the nature, in the sources of the water. By the evaporation process, it go to upside of the earth. The cool air is there. So this vapor become cool and the changes in the small droplets. Small droplets make clouds and these clouds become heavy. These droplets become heavy and bigger. So the clouds come on the earth in the form of the rain. This process is called precipitation. So student, this is the water cycle and the form of the water. So student, here your explanation part is over of the chapter number 15. In the first lecture, I explained you about the water, rain, what is the main source of the water, underground water, and what is the benefit and how we will get the underground water. In this lecture, now in that lecture we discussed about the different properties of the water. What is the properties of the water? Water is colorless, water has no taste, water has no smell, and water has no its own shape. उसका अपना कोई shape नहीं है. This is the property. Now in this lecture we discussed about the different form of the water. We get three form of the water: solid, liquid and gas. And I also showed you this thing with example. How the water change their form, this thing I also explained you. Now the water cycle, three processes going on in the water cycle. Continuously this thing happened in our nature. Evaporation. Now after that condensation, and the third one is precipitation. Clear? The water is very necessary for the human beings. So protect the water. Clear? So student, explanation part is over here. I hope you understand whatever I explain you in this lecture, and I request you should read the chapter at home again and again in front of your parents, at least twice or thrice a day, and also revise our previous, those are I already explained you, chapter number 10, chapter number 13, 14. So you should revise that chapter also. Clear? In the next lecture we complete our book exercise and we will start the new words of this chapter. But still you complete your notebook also. Chapter number 10, chapter number 11, chapter number 13, chapter number 10, chapter number 13, chapter number 14. Okay? As soon as possible we need to your notebook for the checking. So I request you complete your writing part also and read the chapter at home, and I hope you understand whatever I explained you today. Now student, please take care yourself and कंटिन्यूसली डू द स्टडी एट होम. मैं हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ, आपको सबको पढ़ाई करनी है, नोटबुक कंप्लीट करना है और चैप्टर भी रीड करना है मम्मी पापा के सामने 3 से 4 बार डेली. जो आपको मैंने पढ़ा दिया है वो भी रिवाइज करना है और जो चैप्टर में पढ़ा रही हूँ उसे भी आपको रीड करना है. क्लियर? आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड and prepare yourself for your next upcoming examination. Okay student, I hope you follow my instruction. Bye.